10 interesting facts about Subaru. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Subaru. This Japanese automaker has a rich history and a reputation for producing reliable, safe, and fun-to-drive vehicles. Let's explore 10 interesting facts about Subaru that you might not know. Fact 1. Starry origins. The name Subaru comes from the Japanese word for the Pleiades star cluster. The logo's 6 stars represent the 6 companies that merged to form Fuji Heavy Industries, Subaru's parent company. Fact 2. Aviation roots. Before venturing into the automotive industry, Subaru began as an aircraft research laboratory. This heritage is still evident in their commitment to engineering and innovation. Fact 3. Symmetrical all-wheel drive. Subaru is renowned for its symmetrical all-wheel drive system, which provides superior traction, stability, and handling in various conditions. Fact 4. Resale value. Subaru vehicles consistently rank high in terms of resale value, making them a popular choice for those looking for long-term investment. Fact 5. Safety first. Subaru has a reputation for building safe and reliable vehicles. They have won numerous awards for their safety features and overall crash test performance. Fact 6. Environmental commitment. Subaru is dedicated to sustainability and has implemented various initiatives to reduce its environmental impact, such as using recycled materials and improving fuel efficiency. Fact 7. Off-roading capability. Many Subaru models are designed for off-road adventures. Their ground clearance, all-wheel drive systems, and rugged features make them ideal for exploring rugged terrain. Fact 8. Strong community ties. Subaru is known for its involvement in local communities and charitable causes. They support various organizations and initiatives, including those related to education, health, and the environment. Fact 9. Global presence. While Subaru is a Japanese brand, it has a strong global presence with dealerships and manufacturing facilities in various countries. Fact 10. Unique design language. Subaru vehicles have a distinctive design language that sets them apart from other brands. Their models often feature bold lines, aerodynamic shapes, and distinctive grille designs. And there you have it, 10 interesting facts about Subaru. If you're a fan of this Japanese automaker or are considering purchasing a Subaru, I hope this video has given you some valuable insights. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions or would like to share your experiences with Subaru. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive content. Thanks for watching.